Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how to unprotect cell in the Google Sheets spreadsheet. So open this spreadsheet in the Google Sheets, and for example, I have one spreadsheet file here, and I have cell with protect. So you can see if I edit will be appears the information like this. So how to unprotect? Sorry, how to unprotect? It's very easy. Just click on it and right click and select view more selections, and you can select protect range. So just click on the protect. Just click and just delete range or sheets protection. Click and remove. Click OK. So has been unprotected. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.